Hey guys, we are coming down through Savannah. We just John picked up his camera for vlogging, so hopefully we're going to step it up on our channel. It's going to be some better quality. Hopefully we got us a Canon M50, and so we just picked that up at the thing, UPS.
Got a variety of stations going on the radio.
Yep, got a variety of stations going on.
You got one station here. You got one station, you roll down a little bit.
Yeah.
You got another one.
So what we opted to do, guys, was rent a car. We estimated all of our Uber rides and realized that it's extremely more cheaper to rent a car today. And plus, renting a car, we'll get to do some stuff. We'll get to go at our own pace, and plus the box for that camera was gigantor, so the Uber driver wouldn't have been very happy with us.
Yeah.
So anyway, so that's what we're doing today. We are going now to pick up another package that we have coming to the Rite Aid. So this is one of the things you encounter full-time RVing, full-time travel, is trying to get your mail, and so we'll talk more about that later. But anyway, so that's what we're doing. We're in a rental car. It's a very nice car.
I think that van just hit that car.
Uh-oh, we might have had a fender bender in front of us.
Oh, he almost hit it.
Or maybe
he's okay.
Good.
Because I seen him rolling, and then he
slammed, yeah. So, but anyway, we're fixing to go toward downtown, so maybe we can get some footage for you today as we travel, and might go out to Tybee Island. We'll see.
You can tell them what kind of car this is.
I don't know what kind of car this is.
This is a Ford Fusion.
Ford Fusion.
One of them there Ford Fusers.
Ford Fusion. Yep. Hey guys, so we are here in Savannah, downtown Savannah. This is a coffee shop that we went to about 3 or 4 years ago when Nathan made Allstate, and we wanted to come back and get us another coffee. I'm not quite sure where to look on the camera, but anyway, this is with the new Canon camera that John got. So anyway, we're here at Gallery Espresso Coffee, so we're gonna go in there and get us a coffee, guys. So how's it taste? It's good. So Johnny got the mocha coffee, and I got the latte here at Gallery Espresso. Save the trees. Yeah. So just let me scan around so you can kind of see. Cute little place. I don't think it has a really good camera on this side of the thing, so yeah. It's cute.
steps are super
steep. Goodness gracious.
We are at the river front in Savannah, Georgia, and we're taking a day off and just looking at the sights.
Wow.
What's your name?
There you go. Good morning, guys. We are taking the car back today. Yesterday we had a good day in downtown Savannah. It's not very often that we have access to a car, so Johnny don't want to take it back, but I think
I don't want to take it back today.
I know. I think we need to take it back though, because you know we live in the ministry life, so
Yep.
we don't need to keep the car too long. But plus, we'd like to explore the park where we are a little bit more. And if we have a car, y'all, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna go in it. So anyway, this is a nice car. It's a Ford Fusion. I think they sold us on the car.
On them there Ford Fuchsias.
And then we've got a really nice
1.7 miles.
there goes
Continue on to
Mr.
Abercorn
Daxter.
Street.
So they've got a really cool station here in Savannah that plays oldies. We play 1 second of it, I guess. It's got Big John going on there right now. So, but anyway, so we're taking first we're gonna go get coffee at Krispy Kreme because Johnny saw that there was a Krispy Kreme right next to the car rental place. So then we're gonna go take the car back. Sadfully, that's not a word, but you know, sadfully. So, so today we're going to be moving RV spots and Skidaway's Island State Park. We're going to be moving to a different spot. And then tomorrow we head a little bit more north to Statesboro, up there in that area. So, but anyway.
You're still breathing.
There's still hope.